Research. I'm Lloyd Bazar. I'm the co-founder of Izanagi. According to our partner brokers, tayo yung community na pinakamalaking may nagka-copy trade sa atin. And that has been running for the past 5 years already. So hindi lang siya profitable, but it is also has been sustaining. I really can't promise the future pa rin sa Forex since high risk yung Forex. But yeah, it's one of the most profitable and longest running fund management na ngayon sa copy trading, and I'm very proud to be one of the founding leaders of that. And especially yung copy trading, I am one of the most copied copy trader sa Pilipinas, and hopefully makatulong ako sa inyo ngayon with our topic this afternoon. Pwede ko ba i-explain sa kanila ano ba talaga ang copy trading, Sir Fitz? Para
yes,
in
of
case
course.
may mga hindi pa nakakalaman ng copy trading. Basically, it's a system na pinoprovide ngayon. It's a service that brokers provide kung saan pwede mo nang makopya yung mga trades ng mga kilala or mga galing na traders or sino bang traders na nagpapakopya dyan. So, and then, ang pinakamaganda dyan is yung pagkokopya na yan is automated. So, kung gusto nyo akong kopyahin, kung magta-trade ako nitong forex pair na ito ngayon, that is what is going to reflect on your account also. So whatever I profit from that in percentage, automatically, ganun din ang profits nyo. But it's not just the profits. You're also gonna be copying the risk. Kung ano yung strategy ko, ano ba yung risk strategy ko sa trading ko, yun rin yung sa inyo. So if I lose, let's say for example, 5% of my capital, you're gonna lose also 5%. So it is a fully automated na kumukopya na automatic. Kung mahilig kayo mangopya noon, then this is ng college, then this is definitely a good area for you to check out. Dito pwede ka ng mangopya na kumikita ka pa. So ang ganda.
Sa akin, ang gusto ko sa copy trading because I am busy with my business and other stuff, but I also don't want to miss out on the earning opportunities in the global market, particularly in the forex market.
Yes.
So fan ako talaga ng copy trading ever since pa. Siguro pre-pandemic or early pandemic days. Yun din talaga yung binuhusan ko ng pera kasi sa tingin ko meron siyang magandang potential. You have the Izanagi community, Lloyd, no? So sa mga hindi pa familiar, ano nga ba itong Izanagi community na finound mo?
Yeah, basically it's the biggest trading community sa Pilipinas. It's where lahat ng mga nagka-copy trade, nagpapaturo sa amin mag-forex, which is we're sharing for free, is a member of. So, it's gonna be very helpful sa mga gustong matutong mag-trade or just want to go into forex trading or other types of trading kasi one of the ways to be successful in trading is to have a community. Kasi meron ka mapagtatanungan, and then ang pinaka-importante niyan is matino. And yung mga tao hindi mag-advertise sa iyo ng mga ganito ganyan, hihilain ka sa mga scam ganito ganyan. So it is a regulated community. So we keep it as healthy as possible. Which is kung if ever you decide to come with us and then try to explore our copy trading and the trading strategy that we're using, pwede rin kayong mag-join yan para may makausap kayo at may makasabay kayo sa trading nyo.
I like what you said, no, na one of the essential keys to success when it comes to forex trading is having a community. Kasi yes, you can learn the strategies by yourself, etc. Pero iba pa rin yung may nakakausap kang community kasi you get insights on what's happening in the market. Kasi ang volatility ng market, emotional siya eh. So wala siyang black and white, and it will really help you discover kung ano ba yung magandang strategy mo when you get what others are thinking. Sabi nga nila, merong fundamental analysis, technical analysis, pero meron din kasing market sentiment analysis na ano ba yung nararamdaman ng mga tao, ano ba yung nararamdaman ng mga traders, and even ano yung plano ng mga fellow traders mo, kasi those are all connected when it comes to forex trading. And that's one thing that I like really with the Izanagi community, kasi it feels that everyone is learning together. I've been trading forex since the early 2010s, And I've been part of a lot of communities. Unfortunately, a lot of them parang medyo inactive na, wala na kasi yung naging mga founding members siguro they're busy with other stuff already.
Right.
But it has helped me in my journey to be part of a community. And so far, ilang members na ang Izanagi community? Umabot na ba kayo ng 1 million members?
Hindi naman. Nasa mga 5,000 members tayo na active. If ano lang, it's a filtered community kasi. So hindi natin basta-basta pinapapasok basta-basta sino lang. They have to be part of the system. They have to be trading with our strategy para makarelate naman sila.
Meron kayong mga iba't ibang copy trading system na pwedeng kopyahin ng mga members. If they want a low risk option na copy trading, nagsisimula pa lang sila, they can start with the Izanagi OSICAD. Ngayon, kung gusto nilang matuto mag-trade and they still don't want to have super high risk, relatively high risk, pwede silang mag-low risk pa rin doon sa Izanagi na 6 pairs. Tapos, on a separate account, i-check nila kung ano yung tinitrade ng Izanagi 6 pairs. So, pwede nilang gayahin and pag-aralan. Bakit ito yung tinrade ni Izanagi? No? So, it's a learning tool also without really exposing them to relatively higher risk. No? Kasi if they can choose na busy sila, they can just let the Izanagi 6 pairs earn passively. No? That's the first copy trading option. And dito sa Izanagi, meron tayong higher risk na option, no? Which is, yung next is yung, I understand, yung Didikila. Tama ba? Can you...
Yes, tama. Didikila.
Can you tell me more about the Didikila?
Isa sa mga top copied na copy trading for last year sa Pilipinas, si Didikila. It has... Sa isang taon niya na performance, it was able to generate 160%. It's high risk. Yun lang. We really want you to understand what high risk means sa forex trading, especially. High risk means the higher, mas mataas yung chance for the investment to fail. Yun yung gusto naming maintindihan mo talaga. Si Didikila has been generating around 10% a month on the past performance niya. Disclaimer lang, past performance is never a guarantee of future performance. Pero nagawa niya na yon, and we're very confident that it is going to be able to do that still. Hindi lang talaga namin ma-promise talaga. Because again, Forex is high risk, ang daming pwedeng mangyari. Pinaka-risk natin talaga dito is what if we're trading a certain pair. Let's say for example, sa US dollar, tapos biglang gumulo yung trade wars nila or magkagera, ganito ganyan, and the market suddenly slips. So, malaki ang chance na maubos ka agad yung pera natin dyan. So, it is very high risk. Okay? In fact, at a certain point, yung drawdown, which is at a certain point nang negative ang isang account, ang drawdown ni Didikila reached at 40%. Okay? So, it's a balance kasi of how do you read drawdown? Sa buong performance niya, which is 160%, pero nag-drawdown siya ng 40%. 40% is very big. Sa 100,000, that's 40,000. Sa 1 million, that's 400K. So, kung hindi nyo kaya yung ganun na risk, then it is going to be mas maganda na low risk lang muna. Or, only put in money that you can afford to lose na kung okay lang sa inyo i-risk ito. Yung initial capital natin sa kanya is $400. So, $400 is around 25,000, Sir Fitz, no? Or with the 22,000 to 23,000 siguro. Yun yung initial capital niya. And you can already start with Didikila with that amount. So, at least hindi gaanong kalakihan. Kasi high risk nga siya. There's a big chance for it to, for the trade to fail. So, maliit lang na amounts muna as much as possible.
Lloyd, I want to clarify, no? Si Didikila, copy trading din yan. Pero, iba yung strategy niya. Iba yung strategy versus dun sa Izanagi. Si Izanagi, low risk yung strategy niya. Hindi siya masyadong aggressive. So, si Izanagi, ang past performance niya around 16 to 20%. Plus, ang drawdown niya around 2 to 5%.
Less than 10%,
Less than 10%. Meron tayong ibang strategy pagdating sa Didikila. And itong Didikila mas aggressive. And sa past performance niya, it can give as much as 160% a year. Tama ba? Mga ganyan,
160% ang 1 year, 4 months niya na performance.
Oo.
So,
pero ang drawdown niya, ang pinakamalaking drawdown niya na experience niya is around 40%. So,
yeah, umabot siya ng 40%.
Kung madali kang kabahan, hindi siya masyadong recommended. No? We would recommend na dun muna sila sa Izanagi kapag medyo malakas na yung loob nila at saka hindi na sila masyado nagkakape at yeah, they have money that they can afford to lose na pag nalugi itong pera na to, hindi maapektuhan yung finances nila. Then definitely they can check out yung Didikila with the hopes na there's an opportunity to potentially earn around 160% if you're willing to risk 40% na drawdown. So ito na yung pinaka high risk mo ba, Lloyd, itong Financial Freedom Fund?
Sa copy trading natin, yes, I would say ito na yung pinaka high risk natin na copy trading strategy.
And what is the Financial Freedom Fund, the copy trading strategy?
Yeah. Ako po ang nagte-trade niyan. The three copy trading that we presented to you, si Didikila, si Izanagi Odgat, and Izanagi, yung 6 pairs natin, is traded by an EA or bot or sa program. Pero monitored pa rin siya. It's not purely a bot. It's a supervised EA system. So, meron kaming team na nagso-supervise niyan, and that's basically yun yung secret sauce namin why ours is the most successful one in the country. Is because hindi lang po purely EA ang tumatakbo niyan. We have a team monitoring the markets, adjusting the strategy depending on the market strategy. Ngayon, I have my own, kasi trader din ako at the same time, and since kailangan ko mag-trade para kumita sa monthly bills ko, I have to trade higher risk na strategy. Kasi para kailangan ko na mas malaki ang kitaan. It's a big responsibility being a fund manager. Yung nagpapakopy ka, ikaw magte-trade para sa mga tao. And we don't want to risk people's money. Ang laki rin ng dagok niyan sa inaalagaan naming pangalan. Pag nasunog yan, kahit high risk, hindi maintindihan ng mga tao yan, it's gonna be bad for us. But I wanted to show everyone na ito yung trading strategy ko. Even if I'm busy, kaya ko pa rin kumita because the trading strategy we're sharing is easy. So, it started with that. Medyo nagustuhan ng mga tao talaga yung performance ng trade ko, and then they really requested na ipakopy trade ko na lang kasi naintindihan na lang yung risk, ganito, ganyan. So, high risk po siya. Ako po mismo nagte-trade, and the returns is well. Can I present the returns, Sir Fitz?
Sige.
Yes, ayan. So, this is the current copy trading na performance na account. Makikita nyo po, this one started June 3. Nasa 80% na po ang profits niya. Again, this is MyFX book. Kung gusto niyo i-request yung MyFX book so that you can get this, just send us a message. We will send it to you. Yung trading performance natin is at 81% na win rate. The most important thing here is the monthly change. Ito yung performance natin monthly. So it varies. January, nag-returns tayo ng 9.41%. Imagine si Izanagi, 1 to 2%, 1 to 12%, 1 to 2% a month. 1% at 12% a year, muntik na kinuha in just 1 month, in just January lang. February, medyo pangit yung market, we are at 2.15%. March, kakasimula pa lang ng March, na beat ko na ang performance ko noong January. Right? And 2024, it's been crazy. Ito yung kagandahan ng MyFX book, everyone. Baka sabihin nyo, lagi lang naman profits pinapakita niya. No po. Sa trading po kasi, meron pong mga bad months. And you can see it right here. Meron tayong month na negative. Na negative 19%, negative 20% yung November natin. November, yun to yung election month sa US. Nanalo si Trump. May trade tayo ng US dollar. Biglang lumakas si dollar dahil kay Trump. Sobrang taas na. I think babalik na to. Lumipad palalo. So, the trade was bad. We had to cut our losses at 20%. Pero makita nyo po dito, in June, 11%. July, 20%. Nakakahit tayo ng 20% in a month also. December, I was on vacation mode pero we were at 3.75% pa rin. So, makikita nyo po, kahit bad months, it's transparent there. And ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na high risk po siya. 'Di ba? Kasi tingnan nyo yung drawdown, umabot pa nga ng 63% at one point. That was during this time right here, during November. Yung equity ko from 92% na profits, naging 18% na lang ang profits. So I lost yung profits ko na nakuhanan ng malaking amount. But overall, we're still at positive. 80% pa rin performance natin since June on this account. So there are mostly good trading months. There are bad trade months. Pero so far, January, February, March, doing good naman. Kita nyo naman dito. So that's the performance. May current trades ako ngayon na Euro USD. So, ayan. It's high risk. Pero the higher the risk, the higher the returns. Nakita nyo po, 2.5% in just 1 month. 9.41% in just 1 month noong January.
I would say yung Didikila at saka itong Financial Freedom Fund para na talaga to sa mga may alam sa forex trading at they already understand the risk. So sa mga curious kung paano ba magsimula, you can just scan the QR code that you've been seeing on the screen or go to bit.ly/learnforexph. Lagi naman natin yan binabanggit and you will see this page. Baka i-edit ko pa to kasi I want to put in more information. But the important thing here is you'll already have the link going to Do Prime and you can already sign up. I-click nyo lang to para meron kayong 10% deposit bonus. Gamitin nyo tong link na nasa website. And then just fill out itong Google form na nasa page and I will email you personally yung next steps nyo. Kasi medyo marami siyang steps. Kapag nilagay natin siya dito, baka ma-overwhelm kayo. So, dalawa lang yung gagawin nyo dito. Sign up for a Do Prime account. Wala namang bayad. Basta gumawa lang kayo ng account and then fill out the form and submit it. And within 2 to 3 days, you will receive further instructions, step-by-step guide from me kung ano yung gagawin ninyo. At since alam nyo na rin yung aking email address, you can ask your questions there if you need assistance. And I will also share with you yung aming Facebook account ni Lloyd para pwede tayo mag-chat doon kung meron kayong questions and if you need assistance.